What if I told you that the AI tools you're paying hundreds of dollars for every month could potentially be replaced by a single platform? I didn't believe it either, until I discovered this. What I found shocked me, and before you spend another dollar on AI subscriptions, you need to see this. If you're paying for ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, image generators, content writers, research tools, and marketing software separately, stop what you're doing for the next few minutes. Because I just found an AI platform that's making a huge claim. They're saying you can access multiple Grok AI models, real-time trend research, AI image creation, AI video generation, marketing tools, business idea generation, and content creation features, all from one dashboard. And here's the crazy part. The entry price is currently lower than what many people pay for a single month of one AI subscription. Now, whenever I hear claims like that, I immediately become skeptical. Because let's be honest. Most all-in-one AI platforms are usually mediocre at everything. They promise you 10 different tools. And then every single feature feels half-finished. So I spent time researching GrokMAX, looking at what it actually offers, who it's designed for, and whether it's something that can genuinely help content creators, affiliate marketers, freelancers, business owners, and YouTubers. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what GrokMAX is. What makes it different from most AI tools on the market? The biggest advantages, the potential downsides, and whether it's actually worth your money. So make sure you stay until the end because I'll also show you the type of people who should buy this and the people who absolutely should not. Let's get into it. One of the biggest problems in the AI industry right now is tool overload. Think about it. You use one platform for writing, another platform for image generation, another platform for research, another platform for social media content, another platform for marketing, and then maybe another tool for videos. Before you realize it, you're spending hundreds of dollars every month. And worse, you're constantly switching between dashboards, copying information, moving files around, managing subscriptions, and wasting time. That's the exact problem GrokMAX claims to solve. Instead of giving you one single AI feature, it tries to create an entire AI workspace. The platform is built around Grok-powered AI technology and focuses heavily on real-time information, content generation, research, marketing assets, image creation, and business productivity. Now if you've heard about Grok before, you probably know it's the AI system associated with XAI and has become popular because of its access to live information and real-time data capabilities. And that's where things start getting interesting. Most AI tools are working from training data. But one of Grok's biggest strengths is its ability to work with more current information and trending discussions. For marketers, affiliate marketers, YouTubers, bloggers, and content creators, that matters a lot. Because timing is everything. The content that performs today may not work next month. The products trending today may disappear next week. The opportunities that exist right now may be gone tomorrow. And having access to current information can create a significant advantage. Now let's talk about the features. The first thing that grabbed my attention is the content creation side. According to the platform, users can generate blog posts, marketing content, ad copy, emails, product descriptions, sales copy, scripts, social media content, and business materials from one dashboard. For affiliate marketers, this is a huge deal. Because content is the engine behind almost every online business. You need review articles. You need emails. You need landing pages. You need video scripts. You need ad creatives. You need social media content. And producing all of that manually takes time. A lot of time. So if GrokMAX can genuinely help speed up that process while maintaining quality, that alone creates value. The second feature I find extremely useful is the research capability. This is where many AI tools struggle. They can generate content, but they don't always understand what's happening right now. GrokMAX positions itself around real-time research and trend discovery. That means users can identify trending topics, analyze market discussions, discover content opportunities, and create campaigns around current conversations instead of outdated information. If you're running YouTube channels, this can be incredibly powerful. Imagine discovering a trend before it becomes saturated. Imagine creating content while interest is still rising. Imagine finding product opportunities before everybody else starts talking about them. That kind of advantage can directly impact traffic and revenue. Now let's talk about visuals. One thing I constantly hear from content creators is this: I don't know Photoshop. I can't design. I don't want to hire graphic designers. And that's exactly why AI image generation exploded. GrokMAX includes image creation features that allow users to generate thumbnails, marketing creatives, social media visuals, promotional graphics, product images, and other visual assets. For YouTube creators specifically, thumbnail creation alone can save hours every week. And if you've been paying separate subscriptions for image tools, having everything inside one dashboard can simplify your workflow significantly. Then there's AI video generation. And this is where the market is moving fast. Video content dominates almost every major platform today. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. Short-form content is everywhere. According to the platform information, users can create AI-generated videos directly from prompts inside the dashboard. Now obviously, expectations matter. No AI video tool completely replaces professional production. But for content ideas, marketing assets, social clips, visual storytelling, and promotional videos, these tools are becoming more useful every month. Another feature that stood out to me is business and marketing strategy generation. Most people use AI for writing. Very few use it for thinking. But strategy is where money is made. The platform claims users can generate business concepts, marketing plans, launch strategies, pricing ideas, offer creation frameworks, funnels, and growth plans. For entrepreneurs, that can be valuable. Because sometimes the hardest part isn't execution. It's figuring out what to build, what to sell, who to target, and how to position it. Now let's discuss who I believe this tool is actually for. First, affiliate marketers. Probably one of the strongest use cases. You can research products, create reviews, generate email sequences, develop promotional content, create ad creatives, build landing page copy, and potentially streamline large parts of your marketing workflow. Second, YouTube creators. Especially faceless YouTube creators. You can generate video ideas, create scripts, develop thumbnails, research trending topics, generate supporting visuals, and speed up content production. Third, freelancers and agencies. Many agencies are already using AI behind the scenes. The faster you can deliver content, marketing materials, visuals, and research, the more efficiently you can serve clients. Fourth, small business owners. If you're handling your own marketing, social media, content creation, advertising, and customer engagement, having multiple AI capabilities inside one platform can reduce complexity. Now let's talk about what I personally like most. It's not actually the content generation. It's not the image generation. It's not even the video generation. It's the consolidation. Because AI subscription fatigue is becoming real. People are paying for 5, 6, sometimes 10 different AI platforms. And monthly subscriptions add up quickly. The idea of having multiple capabilities under one roof is becoming increasingly attractive for many users. But I also want to be balanced here. No AI platform is magic. And if somebody tells you otherwise, they're selling a fantasy. You still need good prompts. You still need critical thinking. You still need human judgment. You still need to verify information. And you still need to understand your audience. AI can accelerate execution. It cannot replace strategy, experience, or expertise. That's an important distinction. So is GrokMAX worth it? Here's my conclusion. If you're somebody who regularly creates content, runs affiliate campaigns, builds online businesses, creates YouTube videos, produces marketing assets, or uses AI tools daily, Then GrokMAX appears to offer a lot of functionality for the entry price being advertised. The biggest strengths appear to be real-time research capabilities, content generation, marketing support, visual creation, business idea development, and having multiple AI-powered functions inside one environment. On the other hand, if you're only using AI occasionally, or you already have a workflow that you're completely happy with, then you may not need another platform. For me, the most compelling reason to consider GrokMAX is simple: speed. Because the people who win online today are usually the people who can identify opportunities faster, create content faster, test ideas faster, and launch faster. And that's exactly the problem this platform is trying to solve. If you want to check out GrokMAX for yourself, I placed my special link in the description below. You can visit the official page, explore all the features, see the demos, and decide whether it's the right fit for your business. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because I regularly review the newest AI tools, affiliate marketing software, content creation platforms, and online business opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.